You're watching Shoot Your Shot TV, and today we got the Nike Jordan 4 SB. Here they are, the Jordan 4 SB in the white sail pine green colorway. But before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to the good folks over at 1985 Gallery. If you're ever in the San Francisco area, make sure you stop by. They have Jordan apparel, Nike apparel, sneakers for the whole entire family. What I love most about 1985 Gallery is they do first come, first serve. So if you follow them on Instagram, you'll know where to be, what time to get the most hype releases. So again, shout out to them for letting us get a sneak peek at one of the most hype releases of the year. And the reason it's one of the most hype releases of the year is that this is the first time Nike SB and Jordan brand are doing a Jordan 4. They typically do Jordan 1 lows and Jordan 1 highs like the Lance Mountains, which is my personal favorite. And I also like the Jordan 1 high LA to Chicago. And the great thing about those is the more you wear them, or if you actually skate them, the paint chips and it reveals colors underneath. The Jordan 4, released back in 1989, they're designed by legendary Tinker Hatfield. For the SB version, they did kind of change up the materials, something that you wouldn't really notice unless you had them in hand. The tongue is very soft, very plush. It has like a nice soft leather to it. And it has this Jumpman logo over the Flight logo. Taking us down to the middle of the tongue, you have the flat laces and you have the perforated mesh right here. On the side of the shoes, you have the perforated mesh as well. And for the wings, they're normally like a harder plastic, but on the SB model, they made them more rubberized for more flexibility. So it has like a more rubber texture to it. Taking us down to the toe box, you have more of that plush leather, that soft tumble leather. It's gonna crease, but it's looking like they're using quality materials. And then taking us down to the toe box, you have either a soft suede or nubuck. Not 100% sure. Taking us to the back of the heel, you have a more rubberized heel tab instead of the plastic ones that we're accustomed to on retro Jordans. And instead of having the Nike Air logo or a Jumpman on the back, they hit us with the Nike SB logo. Another subtle difference I noticed is that the heel tab is a little taller than usual. Not sure what the reasoning is behind that. Maybe it's to help you slide these on a little bit quicker than usual. Taking us down to the midsole, it's that classic Jordan 4 midsole, which is also the same midsole used on the Nike Flight 89s, a little fun fact there. And you have the visible air unit with the red airbag inside. Then you have this outsole in white and gum bottom with red hit with the Nike swoosh. Gives it a cool contrast to go with the rest of the shoe that's predominantly white. I really like this colorway, and I've been reading on the internet that this shape is getting closer to the original Jordan 4 shape of 1989. And you might be wondering, why did they choose to do a Jordan 4? It's a basketball shoe, but the Jordan 1s were basketball shoes as well. And what I can think of is that the flat outsole really makes a great skate shoe. Skaters want stability. If you have something that has a lot of curvature to it, it's not gonna be the best shoe to skate in. And speaking from experience, me and my friends, when we used to try to skate, we wore our Jordan 1s, of course, but we also wore shoes like Jordan 3s, 4s, and 5s. We were just young and appreciating our shoes. These made great skate shoes as we tried to get better. Just like the Nike Dunk, great skate shoe as well. I wouldn't be surprised to see Jordan brand and Nike SB explore other options like Jordan 3s, Jordan 5s down the line, because those too also have flat outsoles, and I would love to see their take on some of the classic Jordan models. I'm also curious to see if they're gonna do another Jordan 4 in different colorways. I might have seen some sketches or mock-ups on the internet. Not sure how true those are, but some of the designs look pretty cool. As far as sizing goes, I went true to size. These are 9.5. I suggest getting whatever size you are in Jordan 4s. Can't go wrong. There is a little comfort there. You definitely feel the air pocket in the back of the heel. The material, like, it just feels high quality. These retail for $225, which isn't bad considering most retros retail around $220 anyways, but at least with the SB model, you're getting higher quality materials. And these released this past Saturday, March 18th at skate shops, but these are getting a global release on March 21st. Make sure you follow 1985 Gallery by clicking the link below so you can know what time and when they drop theirs. And these are also releasing on sneakers as well, so you can try your luck there. Definitely one of the most hype releases of the year, and I totally understand. It's a great shoe. After seeing these in person, they've definitely grown on me. And is this something that you're interested in? Is this a must cop for you? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you guys. But let's go ahead and try these on. Shoot Your Shot Records. I don't know how to start this, but I put start to start whips. Flow out of space and I ain't been on no starships. No guilt on my conscience, just silk on my boxes. You can't rush greatness, please stick to the process. We got this. All that negativity toxic. Just let the ops gossip while I'm out in the tropics. Otis had the plug on the flights. Real cozy. We came a long way from riding
hours on a bike. I'm just trying to live an excellent life forever. I'm talking doing what I love for the rest of my life. Skydiver, high fly, live wire, Rottweiler. I black out like red men met, then Rottweiler. My stock rising, invest now, but don't let your checks bounce, causing inconvenience like early checkouts. I'm trying.
And that's our episode for today, but if you guys are enjoying content like this, make sure you check out all these other videos right here as well. Tons of content for you guys to watch, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Peace.